In this video, I'll show you how to create Spotify artist account. Firstly, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to artist.spotify.com. Click on Get Access, located at the top right corner. Select whether you're an artist, manager, or label team member. For this guide, choose artist or manager. Sign in with an existing Spotify account or create a new one. If you already have music on Spotify, tap Continue to access your artist profile, stats, pitch tracks, and more. If you don't have any music on Spotify yet, select Music Not Yet Live on Spotify. Follow the distributor's steps to upload your music to Spotify. Once your music is on live, return to Spotify for Artists and tap Continue, then Next to confirm your account. Search for your artist name or paste your Spotify artist URL to link your artist account with the uploaded music to your profile. After linking your account, you can view your stats and other information on Spotify. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.